If I could say anything to the little Gabby, it's gonna be okay. The things that you go through will only make you a stronger person. You might not feel like you had the voice before, but I promise you, you'll find your voice later. And your voice might not be perfect later. You might still struggle. You might not be able to really get what you want to say out, but you can do it. Don't give up. I'm 28 years old, Mexican-American. I was born in Chicago, Illinois. Currently, I'm working at Sephora. I've been there for 5 years, worked my way from an associate up to a supervisor level now. My environment as a kid, my parents were always on and off. So reason being, my dad was an alcoholic. He was very abusive with drugs, alcohol, as well as a little physical. Unfortunately, my mom, due to the alcoholism that my dad had, she had to work about 3 jobs at a time. So I really didn't have anybody at home with me. So it was tough. It was very tough growing up, not having anybody around that I could really speak to. As a kid, I did feel like the kid left out. I did not feel so happy with myself. I could say that I really did feel like an ugly kid. I felt like a sad kid, an unhappy kid. So not being able to have a voice will always bring your confidence down. And now I see my confidence skyrocketing. I'm a very happy person now. I found a very good light inside of myself where I could finally feel free. Looking at my journey, what makes me more proud is becoming a supervisor at Sephora. Coming in as an associate and being very timid and quiet and not talking to anybody, to now being able to run a team, have good communication with my associates, have really good communication with my peers and counterparts, it's very rewarding because I've not had a voice before. And now having the ability to speak to people and feel confident with everything that I say and seeing that people actually respect me and have the confidence in the work that I do and the things that I say, I think it's been an amazing journey there. Very proud of becoming a supervisor.